1,000 volts. Here we go. And finally,
and this is why I'm always shocked that people give me pushback when I tell them Meggering is a terrible installation tool. It's a great diagnostic tool, but it's terrible for figuring out if your cables are actually good or not. Go back and watch that entire video from Angry Sparky because it demonstrates the problems that you have with Meggering. Specifically, Meggering for insulation resistance testing. Probably every single solar installation we do for commercial customers, they ask and require for an insulation resistance test on all of the wires, DC, AC, everything. But you never find anything. I cannot remember the last time that I've had a wire that we've installed not pass the NETA ATS test. It never happens. Sometimes we'll have differences between sets of wires, but even then, like, it's never gone down below, like, maybe 25, 50 megohms. I forget whatever the base, like, pass rate is for NETA ATS, which is, like, the most stringent standard for commissioning systems that we have right now. Like, never has it failed. And like, the reason we even still do it as a company voluntarily for our own installs is because there was one time that, I don't know, we got wire off of a reel and it was, you know, not in great condition. And we saw that on install and then we got freaked out. Like, oh, well, we should megger literally everything from here on out so that we make sure that we catch stuff like that if it happens. The problem is, if we didn't catch that for that one job before we pulled the wire in, we probably wouldn't have seen it on a megger either. You'd have to have moisture in the pipe. You'd need not only that one wire to be faulty, but you'd need a second wire probably to also be faulty. There's a lot that needs to happen for you to get a bad megger reading. So like I said, for installation, for commissioning a system, Meggering is just a waste of money. It just truly is a waste of money. It is great for diagnostics. If you are coming up with a ground fault or something's tripping and you are trying to find a problem in your system, whether it be through a wire, you know, for solar, whether it be a bad module, could be a bunch of things. Meggering's great for tracing down ground faults. It's terrible for if you're doing it for installation, for commissioning. It just is a waste of money.